recipes is very interesting to prepare. You can cook with very different things, and beans are very high in proteins and also calcium. So join me as we do this recipe using beans. These ones here, we call them yellow beans. So enjoy the ride. So first we start by salting and grading. Remember, beans, sometimes you harvest and you find that you pack them with stones. So we start by salting any stones which might be there, and also the ones which are spoiled, like this one. And stones like these ones. So it is very important to salt your beans. After salting your beans, you wash them thoroughly, and because they are hard to cook, you soak for at least 30 to 40 minutes. So we are washing. As you wash, you remove these ones. The ones that float are not good. So let's soak. Let it stay there for 30 to 40 minutes, then we come back. After 30 minutes, our beans are soaked, so we boil them. So let's do that. So we are still boiling. Look at the yellow color of the beans. Yeah, so let's give them time. Boiling perfectly. So guys, today we are going to make a recipe of rice and beans cooked in one pot. So with me here, I have rice, graded and washed. I have boiled beans. They are the yellow beans you see from the beginning of the video. Then we have carrots, tomatoes. We have the red onion, the white onion, and ginger. Unfortunately, I don't have garlic, but we still do that. So join me as we do this, as we cook our rice and beans recipe. So you start by frying the onions. I've mixed both the red and the white onions. So we cook until they become tender and brown. So let's do that. Onions cooking well. Must cook until they are tender and brown. Don't burn them. Next, go in with your crushed ginger. If you have garlic, you can add it too. Cook and let the flavors mix. Onion cooking well. You don't want to burn them. So we go in with our carrot and tomato just at the same time. Nice. Cover, let it cook until the tomatoes produce enough juice. frosty. So let's cook. They are cooked perfectly. So we go in with our spices. But first we go in with our soy sauce. Let's go in with our spices. American barbecue, cajun, peri-peri, Italian spice blend, star, let's go in with our rice. Nice. Then we go in with our beans. And let everything mix well. Coming out so nice, guys. Look at that. So we need to cook it for about 10 minutes. They need to be ready. Go in with salt so that it can boil in salt. Then guys, now we need to go in with water, and our water is boiling. So we go. Add water that covers the rice so that it can cook well. Let's give it 10 minutes, then we see the outcome. Finally, our rice and beans recipe is ready. Allow us to serve. So nice. So nice, guys. So guys, until next time, allow me to eat and use amigos. Bye bye. Remember to like, remember to share, remember also to subscribe if you are new. Bye bye for now.